In Thailand, the New Year is celebrated on April 13 each year, a date that may seem surprising to those who follow the Gregorian calendar. Actually, this date is based on the Buddhist calendar, which is different from the one we usually use. The Buddhist calendar is a lunar calendar, which means it is based on the cycle of the moon rather than the sun. The Buddhist New Year is celebrated on the full moon in April, marking the start of the rainy season and the renewal of nature. The Songkran Festival has religious origins and dates back to the ancient kingdom of Sukhothai in the 13th century. This holiday was originally a celebration of the end of the dry season and the beginning of the rainy season, but it has also taken on a more spiritual significance as a celebration of renewal and purification. Over the centuries, the Songkran Festival has evolved into a more festive celebration with processions, offerings, and ritual baths. People threw water on each other to symbolize the cleansing and purification of mind and body. Over time, this tradition turned into a real national water fight, where people throw water at each other with buckets, water guns, and others. This development is partly due to Thailand's warm April weather, which makes cooling with water welcome and being the chance to experience Thai culture and cool off in the old Thai sun. Today, the Songkran Festival is one of the most popular festivals in Thailand, attracting millions of visitors each year. The streets of towns and villages all over Thailand are transformed into real water battlefields, where people throw water at each other with joy and good humor. It is also an opportunity to experience Thai culture with events such as float parades, beauty contests, and traditional dance competition. Celebrations take place all over the country, but some of the biggest and liveliest are in Chiang Mai, Phuket, and Bangkok. If you plan to participate in the Songkran Festival, it is important to take some precautions to avoid security issues. It is recommended that you wear light clothing and cover your electronic devices with waterproof bags, but also to respect the local rules and not to throw water on people who don't wish to participate in the battle. So, if you are in Thailand now or are interested in the subject, do not miss this one-of-a-kind experience.